Everyone, we're at Ikea Mega Bang again. I've never seen this on the menu. Some sort of spinach stuffed chicken. And it costs $199 if you have a free Ikea membership. Only one hand available. I'm just gonna have to try to eat it this way. Well, that stuffing is good. It's cheesy. Yeah, there's a cheesy saltiness to that stuffing. Clearly has spinach in it. But now let's try it with some actual chicken. That is pretty good. It's dark meat chicken, so it's really moist. It actually has the skin on it still. It's almost like they took the drumstick and stuffed it with the spinach Florentine. Alright, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's delicious. Not sure if I've ever had a grilled tomato here either. Well, that tastes like exactly what it is. A grilled tomato, nothing special there, but not bad either. The carrot's kind of cold. It's al dente though, there's a little bit of crunch to it. Standard lingonberry sauce. We also have some sort of weird sausage shaped like a horse. I don't know what this is. Looks like, you know, chicken or something. It's okay. It's fried. The chicken wings are pretty good here. I'm not going to eat that though. And now, I've never seen a chocolate... Sorry, air pollution. A chocolate pistachio cheesecake, which was 109 baht, like $3. The lighting in here is not very good. So there's like a very soft fudge-like top layer here. Then the chocolate cheesecake. It has the density of a cheesecake. I can't really say it tastes like a cheesecake though. What is this green stuff on top? Got a little bit of crunchiness to it. I don't know what that green stuff is. There's not much flavor to it. But the crust has a wet, dense crust, I guess. It's much wetter than a graham cracker crust, but it is a crust. It is different than the cheesecake itself. Oh no, I'd say it's actually pretty good if you like chocolate. I can't say I get much of a pistachio flavor though. It's overwhelmed by the chocolate if there is any taste of pistachio. Anyways, the stuffed spinach chicken is really good. I think it's worth a try. Alright, we'll see you at the next restaurant. Bye.